let's give the chicken some scraps. We made roast chicken with potatoes and carrots for dinner. I've actually already given them some scraps today, so they're being spoiled. And it's very, very funny how they act when I give them scraps. Let me just open. In we go. Hi, chickens. I gave them watermelon earlier. Okay, they left the carrots. Here we go. Let's see. They take it to their own corners and hide so no one else can touch them. Still no eggs. Hopefully soon. Them hiding. Don't come near me. This is mine. Fake eggs in the nest box, by the way. They're not laying yet. We gave them, so potatoes, carrots, both cooked, chicken bits, some bread. Not a ton of bread, because, you know, birds and bread aren't a great mix. Earlier I gave them watermelon scraps and the gizzards from inside the chicken before I cooked it, plus some of the fat and skin that I cut off. They're very happy birds today. See our handsome rooster right there? Right there. Handsome boy. Our only black copper Moran. There are some in here that I'm not totally sure. There was one that I'd kept from a hatch, and I'd kept it because we thought it was an Americana, but it never developed the muff, so it's an Easter egger. And that one we'd initially thought might have been a rooster. However, at this point, I can't even tell you which one it was, because like all the rest of my birds, it was also brown. I know this one is the blue copper Moran, which is a hatchmate from the rooster. So I'm thinking it might be this one. See how it's mixed colors? And none of the other ones I kept have any reason to be mixed colors. So it's probably that one as an Easter egg. But it looks like it might be, it should at least be a hen, which is okay, I guess. It's not really what I want, but it is what it is. Oh, we gave them some mango skin earlier too, which they didn't seem to have done anything with. Our one silver lace Wyandotte. And we have 3 or 4 gold laced. At this point, I don't think any of our chickens are roosters other than, well, I think I had one juvenile lavender Orpington that looked like a rooster. Then of course this handsome dude. And other than that, I don't think I do. It's possible some of the silkies are. I don't know how to tell for them, and they're still very young. We have a big mix of ages in here. The oldest one, they're like 19 weeks and should start laying any time now, and that's the Brahmas. And the next one, they're 16 weeks, and that would be the Wyandottes and the buff Orpingtons and the white silkies. But of course, white silkies are going to lay later. And then 2 or 3 weeks younger than them would be one of the, this one up, I think. This lavender Orpington. And the one I showed you, that's an Easter egger. And the 2 blue silkies. And then 4 weeks younger than that are the little ones you see running around, and they're lavender Orpingtons. So, yeah, happy birds.